In the name of Allah, the most loving, caring and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Welcome to online classes again. This is our lecture number 8. And the topic which are included in this lecture are from English A we shall do chapter number 2 a dialogue. We shall do translation of page number 7. We had done half portion of page number 7 yesterday in the previous lecture. Now we have to do the remaining portion from page number 7. Then from English B we shall do use of has and have. This is the exercise number 1. First of all, we shall do chapter number 2 translation page number 1. Here are the difficult words. You have to write them on your book. Exams, imtihanat, to for, ज़्यादा दूर, that's why, इसीलिए, never, कभी नहीं, wanted, चाहा, course, निसाब, finished, मुकम्मल कर लिया, nearly, तकरीबन, few, चंद, chapters, अब्वाब. Here is the portion from chapter number 2, page number 7. You can open your book side by side. Uncle, when are your exams starting, Qasim? Qasim, my exams are not too far. That's why I have come back from Saudi Arabia. I never wanted to miss my exams. Uncle, how about your course in science? Have you finished it? Qasim, we have nearly finished our science course. Only a few chapters are left. I am not worried so much about science. Focus on the very first line. Uncle, when are your exams starting? Qasim, Chacha Jan is asking, तुम्हारे इम्तिहानात कब हैं Qasim? Qasim, my exams are not too far. Qasim is saying, मेरे इम्तिहानात ज़्यादा दूर नहीं हैं. That's why, इसीलिए, I have come back from Saudi Arabia. मैं सऊदी अरब से वापस आया हूँ. I never, मैंने कभी नहीं, wanted, चाहा, to miss my exams, अपने इम्तिहानात छोड़ना. So the sentence will be, मैंने कभी भी अपने इम्तिहानात नहीं छोड़ना चाहे. Uncle, how about your course in science? Chacha Jan is asking, साइंस के निसाब की क्या सूरत हाल है? Have you finished it? तुमने उसे मुकम्मल कर लिया है? Qasim, we have nearly finished. Qasim is saying, हमने तकरीबन मुकम्मल कर लिया है. और साइंस कोर्स, अपना साइंस का निसाब, हमने अपना साइंस का निसाब तकरीबन मुकम्मल कर लिया है. Only save a few chapters, चंद अबवाब are left, बाकी रह गए हैं. सिर्फ चंद अबवाब बाकी रह गए हैं. हमने अपना साइंस का निसाब तकरीबन मुकम्मल कर लिया है. सिर्फ चंद अबवाब बाकी रह गए हैं. I am not worried, मैं फिक्रमंद नहीं हूँ या मैं परेशान नहीं हूँ. So much, ज़्यादा, about science, साइंस के बारे में. मैं साइंस के बारे में ज़्यादा फिक्रमंद नहीं हूँ या ज़्यादा परेशान नहीं हूँ. So this is the portion from page number 7. Here is the second portion. Here are the meanings. You have to write them on your book. Real, asal, worry, परेशान, find, लगते हैं, subjects, मज़ामीन, rather, कदरे, tough, मुश्किल, important, अहम, glad, खुशी, started, शुरू की, taught, पढ़ा. So here are the meanings. Portion of these meanings. My real worry is that I have missed a number of lessons in English and Maths. I find these two subjects rather tough and they are important too. But I am glad that my brother has started helping me out in these subjects. My brother is a teacher, you know, and he has taught these subjects for a number of years. My real worry, मेरी असल परेशानी is that ये है कि I have missed, मुझसे छूट गए हैं, मेरे से छूट गए हैं a number of lessons, कई असबाक in English and Maths. अंग्रेजी और रियाजी में। मेरी असल परेशानी ये है कि अंग्रेजी और रियाजी में कई असबाक छूट गए हैं। आई फाइंड, मुझे लगता है, दीज टू सब्जेक्ट्स, ये दो मज़ामीन, रादर टफ, कदरे मुश्किल, मुझे ये मज़ामीन कदरे मुश्किल लगते हैं, एंड दे, और ये, आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू, अहम हैं। मुझे ये दो मज़ामीन कदरे मुश्किल लगते हैं और ये अहम भी हैं। बट, मगर, आई एम ग्लैड, मुझे खुशी है, दैट के, माई ब्रदर हैज स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग मी आउट, मेरे भाई ने मेरी मदद करना शुरू कर दी है, इन दीज सब्जेक्ट्स, इन मज़ामीन में। मगर मुझे खुशी है कि मेरे भाई ने इन मज़ामीन में मेरी मदद करना शुरू कर दी है। माई ब्रदर इज़ अ टीचर, मेरा भाई एक उस्ताद है। यू नो, आप जानते हैं कि, एंड ही हैज़ टॉट दिस सब्जेक्ट्स, और वो पढ़ा चुके हैं ये सब्जेक्ट्स, ये मज़ामीन, फॉर अ नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, कई साल। आप जानते हैं कि मेरे भाई एक उस्ताद हैं और वो ये मज़ामीन कई साल पढ़ा चुके हैं। सो हियर इज़ द सेकंड पोर्शन। Today we will do sentences of only use of has and have. And this is the exercise 1 from your grammar book. You can open your book side by side. The 5 sentences from use of has and have. लड़कों के पास चंद किताबें हैं. Has showing that it is in present, so we have to use has and have. The boys are more than one, so we have to use have with it. The boys have a few books. मेरे बटुए में कुछ भी नहीं, it is also in present tense. मेरे I, we have to use have with it. I have nothing in my purse. कुत्ते के गले में खूबसूरत पट्टा है, has in showing that it is in present tense, and dog is singular, so we have to use has with it. The dog has a beautiful collar around its neck. हमारे पास गैर मुल्की रेडियो सेट है, has showing that it is in present, and हमारे, the English of हमारे is we have to use we with have with we, so we have a foreign radio set. तुम्हारे पास कलम क्यों नहीं है, has showing that it is a present tense, so we have to use has have. क्यों is showing that it is an interrogative sentence, so we have to use why at the start of the sentence. Then we have to use, there is English of तुम्हारे is you, and we have to use have with it. Why have you no pen? So these are the 5 sentences. 5 more sentences. क्या हिरन की 4 टांगे नहीं होती? Hiran is singular, and kya is showing that it is interrogative, so we have to use has at the start of the sentence. Has the deer not 4 legs? इन औरतों के पास जेवर नहीं हैं. इन औरतों, these women, these are more than one, so we have to use have. These women have no ornaments. इस गरीब लड़के के पास जूता नहीं है. इस गरीब लड़के, so it is showing that it is in singular, so this poor boy has no shoe. क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त के पास घड़ी नहीं है, has showing that it is in present tense. क्या is showing that it is in interrogative sentence. तुम्हारे दोस्त, your friend is singular, so we have to use has your friend no watch? हमारे पास नया मकान है. हमारे, the English of हमारे is we have to use have with it, so we have a new house. So these are the 5 sentences more. The 5 last sentences of use of has and have. अमीर आदमी बड़ा बाग रखता है. The rich man has a big garden. अमीर आदमी singular, so we have to use has. The rich man has a big garden. क्या आपके पास लाइसेंस है? License has showing that it is present. क्या is showing that it is interrogative, and we have to use have with you, so have you license? क्या बढ़ई के पास आरी नहीं है? क्या is showing that it is in interrogative, and carpenter is singular, so we have to use has the carpenter no saw? Here we have to use no with it because there is not mentioning number of things. There is not mentioning number of saw. So we have to write no with it. लोहार के पास हथौड़ा नहीं है. लोहार the blacksmith, it is singular. So we have to use has. No hammer, there is no mention the number of hammers. So we have to use no with it. The blacksmith has no hammer. क्या मुसाफिरों के पास सामान नहीं है? क्या showing that it is interrogative? मुसाफिरों passengers. Passengers are more than one, so we have to use have with it. And luggage सामान, there is not number mentioning, so we have to use no with it. Have the passengers no luggage? So these are the 5 more sentences of use of has and have. We will do use of had in the next lecture, inshallah. So today we had done first of all chapter number 2. We had done portion, half portion, the last portion of page number 7. We had done the translation of that portion. After that we had done use of has and have. We had done exercise number 1 of has and have. So now I am signing out here. Take good care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.